Southern politicians also dey Atiku coalition. Baba-Ahmed, welcome country people to Senok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. It go ring once we drop update. Make you like, comment, and share our video. One former political advisor to President Bola Tinubu, when his name na hakeembaba-ahmed, he don refute claims say na only northern politicians na dey drive the opposition coalition against President Bola Tinubu administration. Baba-Ahmed don dismiss the tori say na northern political leaders gang up to create coalitions each time Southerners dey for power. As in dey talk for Arise Television on Monday, Baba-Ahmed, who recently resigned from im role, come clarify say the alliance wey the former Vice President Atiku dey lead no be northern-centric initiative. He say that sentiment say na northern politicians na dey fond of establishing alliances against any Southerner for power. He say e stem from the political coalition when e give birth to the now ruling All Progressives Congress for 2013. The coalition defeat the Goodluck Jonathan-led government for the 2015 presidential election. Na that one na lead to the emergence of former President Muhammadu Buhari. When they come ask am why political coalitions only dey happen when a Southerner dey lead the country, Baba-Ahmed come talk say political alliances e no dey new for Nigeria. He say all the coalitions wey e don happen for the country dey involve Southerners.